Okay, let's try these questions. Okay, let's do part A first. Evaluate 503 squared. Okay, using algebraic rules. Okay, so 503 squared, okay, actually resembles 500 plus 3 squared. Now this resembles this identity, isn't it? Alright, which messy here. Okay, this 500 plus 3 squared resembles this identity, okay, which gets you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Alright, so we use the identity to help us to expand this. Okay, so what we get is 500 squared plus 2 times 500 times 3 plus 3 squared. Now 500 squared, 5 squared is just 25. Okay, since you have to square this, okay, you get 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. And what you get, 2 times 500 is 1000, 1000 times 3 is 3000, and 3 squared is just 9. Okay, and then your answer would be 253,009. Alright. Okay, what about 98 squared? 98 squared, okay, less than 100, isn't it? So how else to represent it? This 100 minus 2 squared, isn't it? Now this resembles a minus b squared, okay, which gives you a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And so use this identity to help you solve. You get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And what you get is 10,000 here. If you square 100, you get 10,000. Okay, 2 times 100, 200, 200 times 2, you get 400 plus 4. And your resulting answer will be 10,000 minus 400 will give you 9,600 plus 4 will give you 9,604. You don't even need to use the calculator for this. Okay, by the way, C, the question C, I wrote it wrongly, so it's actually 1001 times 99. So let's do C here. Or let's do it the next page. Okay, we've got 1001 multiplied by 999. Okay, can we represent this as 1000 plus 1 multiplied by 1000 minus 1? Yes, we can, isn't it? And so if you realize that this is equivalent to a plus b times a minus b, which is just a squared minus b squared. Okay, so you get 1000 squared minus b squared. Okay, 1000 squared is just 1,000,000. 1 squared is just 1, so your resulting answer will be 999,999. So these are just some examples for you to mull over, alright? You gotta know your identities well.